project, a math game created for Codava competition hosted by our school. The central concept of our project is to develop interest on education.
We have designed a game that challenges players to solve a range of mathematical problems while we ensure the learning remains enjoyable.
Our project is related to 4 Sustainable Development Goals. Quality education. Education is the key to unlock a brighter future. We created a math game which makes learning fun. This game makes students confident and excited to learn new concepts.
We thank our management for the support and opportunity given to us.
Hi everyone, I am Shakti Sundaran of grade 8. My project is a space rover. This rover is equipped with mobility system that allows it to move effortlessly across irregular surfaces. With its specially designed gripper arm and lifting mechanism, this rover can pick and carry objects regardless of shape and size, which makes an astronaut task easy. I believe this project showcases whatever it could do in the field of space exploration, and I sincerely thank the management for providing me this opportunity.
Namaste everyone, I am Mithun Bala of grade 8. Our team proudly presented the welcoming robot at our school's Codava 6-pointer competition, participating in the innovation category. This thoughtfully designed robot was used to greet the chief guest, offering a handshake and presenting a bouquet. It is built with 3 servos and 2 motors. It has a battery capability of 5 hours. It is controlled via Bluetooth interface. It can be used in hotels, offices and other places. I am deeply grateful to the management for giving me this remarkable opportunity. Thank you.
I'm Vinay Karthikeyan of 7A, the founder of Out of the Box Thinkers. Today, I'm very excited to present my project, a smart dustbin. Waste mismanagement is a global increasing crisis. This causes pollution and health risks. With our motto for this project, Think Smart Wasteless, we have been inspired to make waste disposal more efficient and sustainable. Our project comes with 3 compartments and is powered by Trashbot 1000. A voice-controlled AI that opens the bin only when you describe what type of waste you have and answers day-to-day life questions. Our project aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, promoting consumption and sustainability. The smart dustbin isn't just any bin. It is a step towards making a better future and paving a better way for the future generations. I thank the management for this amazing opportunity to showcase my talent and helping me take my first steps towards becoming a robotics engineer. So, are we throwing waste away or are we building a better future? Thank you.
innovated. This is a robotic competition known as PixelFest, and our model is robotic arm and radar using Arduino.
These technologies got popular in automation, security and industry. A robotic arm is a programmable mechanical arm which mimics human movements. It can be coded with C++ and Arduino IDE. It's used in industrial automation and medical applications.
A radar is a detection system that transmits and recognizes reflections. It is powered using C++ and Java for graphical representation. It is used in defense and medical uses.
Arduino makes this innovation affordable, accessible and customizable for learning and automation purpose. We are grateful for the management for providing such an opportunity where we could prove ourselves. Thank you.